In this segment, I'm going to show you how to create some cards using the Dilly collection from Making Memories and the slice. And with that, I'm going to show you some great techniques that you can use for layering with the slice. The Dilly design card has a really cool feature that allows you to layer. And I'm going to use that feature for this butterfly that I'm going to put on this card that I'm creating. So I'm going to pick the butterfly that I want. I actually want to do this one. And you can scroll through different options. So you can see this is the normal option. This is the shadow option, the mirror option, which basically flips the design shape, or the layer option. So I'm first going to start with the normal option. So I'll go ahead and cut that. I'm using the 1.5 inch shape to cut my butterfly. So once that's done, I'm going to press the menu button and you can see my shape here. So I'm going to set that aside. And then if you want, you can use different colors of paper to layer these to add dimension. So if I flip this over, for example, to use the other side of my paper, I'm going to set my slice down and I'm going to use the layer feature. Oops, I'm going to put that on 1.5 inch. I'm going to layer. So I'm going to select that and let that do some cutting. So once that's done, I have some other pieces right here. These are kind of tiny. So I'm going to set those down and then I'll show you what I've done on this card. So if you look at this card, you can see these designs that you can layer together. And if you add multiple colors as far as your paper goes, you can create some really fun layered shapes. For this next card, I am going to layer the egg. And I've already cut my pieces out with the slice. I have the shadow shape and also the normal shape. And if you want, you can use a sanding block to roughen up the edges of your die cuts as just another option. So this will be my back piece, and I'm going to fold these other pieces in half, just like this. And then we are going to piece them together like this. So you would glue these pieces down, just almost like a puzzle piece. And you have that. Let me show you what it looks like on the final card again. So you have your different pieces that you've just folded in half and glued down. On this last card, I'm also using the layering that I've been talking about. So I have my umbrella and I've used 2 different colors so that the background will stand out. And I'm just going to use some dimensional adhesive on my project so that the umbrella sticks out, so that you can see, again, there's a little bit of dimension on that umbrella on your card. With the slice and the Dilly design card, using the same basic layering techniques that I've showed you, there's lots of different ways you can customize your greeting cards.